Yo, what's going on? It is the stock market recap where I teach you how to use technical analysis. So let's make sure we jump into these charts, and we're about to see how that market broke down, and we're going to see if we can get any insight for what could happen next week. Super appreciate the love that I've been getting lately. I appreciate it truly. I really do. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button. Also, leave a comment. We can have a conversation, and also hit that thumbs up. I appreciate it. It helps me get a little bit more out of this YouTube game. Also, check the website, wincrease.com, for all of your merch. I got the stocks and bars. I got the Wincrease hoodies. All of that is there for you. So make sure you get right with the season. Hoodie season will be coming back. We still got a little bit left of it. Let's get you one, all right? Let's check this market out. It's been an awesome week, so I want to make sure that we cover this right now because there could be some potential for continuation. All right, so let's go straight to the market. The first one we always check out is the S&P. So follow me. S&P closed at 4,204.31 cents, and we know what the record high is. So ever since we've been tracking this here, we've been going along with exactly what we see. In technical analysis, you always trade what you see, not what you think. Let's check out how the market has performed. We got our trend, and we see that it was broken. We followed along on our 20-day, and it got broken. After that, we're looking for a pattern now. So the pattern that we have noticed on here is that we've seen lower lows and lower highs. Lower lows, lower highs. So the next part of the sequence would be a lower low. I'm looking for next week to continue to move lower and possibly get around to that 41.30 area, possibly even keep going lower if we're going to make that lower low to test out 4,000. So we're going to check for that next week. Watch that level. All right, that's the S&P. Let's go ahead and check out. Next is the Russell 2000, and we always check that with IWM. So IWM closed at 196.73. So let's check. We see that we've been below what has held up the Russell for a while. Here around that 220 area or 210 area. And we see a new pattern here. So we've seen a move lower and how the market moved sideways. And we've seen it move lower and how the market has moved sideways. This is what's called a descending triangle pattern. We're starting a curve here. We've shown all of the strength that the sellers have had. It's starting to impact that price, and it was likely going to continue to move lower. You know what this one is? That is a spinning top. That indecisive action is giving a signal for a continuation to the downside. So next week, I'm looking for the IWM to possibly get back down to that 190 area. Maybe even make new lows. So we'll keep an eye on that 190 area. That's the Russell. You know what we check out next? That is the Dow. That's ticker $DJI. Dow closed at 32,944.19. We see the pattern that we got going on here. It's very similar to what's going on in the S&P. We've got lower lows and lower highs. Lower lows, lower highs. So next part of that sequence is going to likely be lower lows. We are going to check that 32,000 area to see if that is going to hold up. If it doesn't hold up, we're likely going to continue to move lower to the price target we originally set around that 31,000 area. So we'll keep an eye on that 32,000 next week, see if we get there. And last but not least, we are going to check out the Nasdaq, and we use ticker NDX. The Nasdaq closed at 13,301.83, and we see the same pattern that the Dow is holding up, which is also similar to the S&P. Lower lows and lower highs. Oops, didn't mean to hit my mic, but lower lows and lower highs. Lower low, lower high, and you know the sequence here. So check it. Let's recap on all four indexes. Put it plain and simple, all four do not show any signals for a move higher currently. We are looking to see if those levels are going to hold up in order to give us some type of indication that the bulls are going to start to come back. Looking at S&P 4200. Okay, we hit that this week. We're going to see if that's going to hold up next week. We got IWM, which is still around that 200 area. We're going to see if 190 can continue to hold up. We have the Dow around that 32,000 area, and we're going to see if that is going to hold up. And then we also have the Nasdaq around that 13,000 area that we want to see if that is going to hold up. So that's it. That's as simple as it can be. Make sure that you check out the website. I do have my courses up. I will be working on my new course next, and that will be on candle patterns. Now, I have a chart pattern and how to read a chart. I have both of those courses out. Check those out on the website to help you understand more education on the stock market. Get out there, enjoy yourself, spend time with people that you love, and also get your water in your body and get exercise. Take care of yourself out here. It's critical. People ain't doing this enough. Take care of yourself, all right? You have your best interests. We'll check you next week. Peace.